Welcome to VEDHA online classes. VEDHA online classes is providing the live online classes for intermediate, CBSE, EAMCET, IIT-JEE, BITSAT. Do you have a dream of scoring up to 75 by 75 in intermediate maths of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh? Do you want the pass guarantee intensive classes or videos? Then this is the right place for you. Please like, share, subscribe our VEDHA online classes. Matrices Kramer's method. So this is one of the most important and compulsory method for 7 marks LAQs, long answer questions. Kramer's rule we use for solving the system of linear equations. So for example, mostly we give the equations in the form of ax plus by plus cz is equal to d or minus d equal to 0. Okay, after this we convert the given equation. If the given equations are in this form, then we convert the given equations into matrix standard form. Okay, so that is nothing but ax plus by plus cz is equals to d. This is the matrix standard form. Matrix standard form. We converted the given equations into this form. Okay, after converting into this form, then ax is equals to d or ax is equals to b is the matrix form. We write in the matrix form. We write in the matrix form. After writing in the matrix form, A is a coefficient matrix, X is a variable matrix, D is a constant matrix. Okay, so we write A, B, C, all these coefficients we write in A matrix, and X, Y, Z is X matrix, and D is nothing but all the constants we write in the D matrix. After finding this, then we'll find the delta. Delta is nothing but determinant of A. Okay, and check whether this is not equal 0 or not. Mostly the value is not equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, inverse method or Kramer's method does not exist, not possible. Okay, so compulsory it is not equal to 0. Okay, so we just will check whether it is not equal to 0 or not. A inverse here Kramer's method possible. Okay, exists. After that we'll find the delta 1. Delta 1 is nothing but we take the determinant of A. In that determinant of A, we take the D matrix in the first column. We take the D matrix in the first column, the remaining as it is. Okay, we find the determinant of that is delta 1. That is delta 1. After finding that, we find the delta 2. Delta 2 is nothing but all the coefficients are same to same coefficients of A, and we take the D matrix in the second column. D matrix in the second column, and we find the determinant for that. Okay, so that is delta 2 it is. That is delta 2. After that delta 3. Delta 3. Delta 3 means, okay, so we take the D matrix in the third column. We take the D matrix in the third column. Remaining two columns as it is, whatever we have A matrix. A matrix. Okay, so columns we write as it is. Third column we replace, that is delta 3. We find the determinant. After that it is very simple. The general solution here. Solution is, okay, so x is equals to delta 1 by delta. Delta 1 by delta gives the x value, and delta 2 by delta is gives the y value, and z is equals to delta 3 by delta. Delta 3 by delta, this is the z value, x, y, z value. Okay, so that is only the final answer by using the Kramer's method. Here, by using Kramer's rule, solve 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 9, x plus y plus z is equal to 6, x minus y plus z is equals to 2 here. Okay, so now I am taking here. So what are the given equations here? Given equations are 2x minus y plus 3z is equals to 9, and x plus y plus z is equal to 6 and x minus y plus z is equals to 2. Equation 1, 2, 3 are the equations here. Already these equations are in the matrix standard form, means equal to constant. No need to convert again. Direct we are going to write in the matrix form. Okay, so writing in matrix form. Okay, so what is matrix form here? Matrix form is equals to AX is equals to D. AX is equals to D is a matrix form here. I am taking the coefficients here. X coefficient, Y coefficient, constant. X coefficient, Y coefficient, constant. Okay, so X coefficient, Y coefficient, Z coefficient. X coefficient, Y coefficient, Z coefficient. Here X coefficient, Y coefficient and Z coefficient. We take all the variables, that is x, y, z are the variables. We take the variables is equals to constant, that is 962. 962 is a okay, so constants here by comparing with Ax is equals to D. By comparing with Ax is equals to D, then what is A, what is X, what is T? Okay, so just write this. Okay, so here the value of A is a coefficient matrix. Here all the coefficients we have in A, so that is 2, minus 1, 3 and 1, 1, 1 and 1, minus 1 and 1. Okay, all these are the coefficients of X, Y, Z. And what about the X matrix? Capital X is X, Y, Z. It is a variable matrix. It is a variable matrix, and D is a constant matrix. That is 962. 962 is the constant matrix. Okay, after that I am finding the delta. Delta is nothing but determinant of A. So determinant of A, already you know how to find the det value. Okay, so for 3 by 3, so 1, minus 1 and 1. So I am finding the determinant. That means I am expanding this now. I am expanding. So if we expand here, then we get it is as 2 into 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus of minus 1, minus of minus 1. We close the row and column and we take extra minus for this. Okay, so that means it is 1, 1, 1, 1. Plus 3 into, close the row and column, plus 3 into, okay, so 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1. Okay, so now this is equals to 2 into 1 into 1, 1, minus into minus plus AD minus BC. 1 into 1, 1, minus, okay, into minus plus 1, okay, plus 1 into 1, 1, so 1, minus 1, plus 3 into 1 into minus 1, minus 1 and minus 1. So finally we get 2 into 2 plus this is 1 minus 1, 0, 0 into something is 0, plus 3 into minus 2. Okay, so that is minus 6. I am writing here. Minus 6 plus 4. What is the value of minus 6 plus 4? That is minus 2. Is it 0 or not? It is not equal to 0. So delta value is not equal to 0. The value of delta is not equal to 0. Okay, after that we will find the delta 1 value. What is delta 1? It is very simple, ma. So first column we replace with the D, that is delta 1, and we will find the determinant. And similarly this D we replace in second column and we will find the determinant, that is delta 2. Okay, and the same D we replace in the third column. We replace in the third column and we find out the determinant value, that is delta 3. Okay, so now I am going to find the delta 1 here. Okay, so 962 we write here. Delta 1 is equals to determinant of 962 is the first column. What about the second column and the third column? Yes, minus 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1 1 minus 1, and this is the second column, and the third column is 3 1 1. Third column is 3 1 1. Okay, and we are finding the determinant of this. Okay, so just write here 9 into close the row and column here. So I am closing the row and column. So then it is 1 1 minus 1 1 minus of minus 1 minus of minus 1 into close the row and column. Then we get 6 1 2 1. 6 1 2 1 it is. Okay, so next plus 3 into close row and column. Then it is 6 1 2 minus 1. 6 1 2 minus 1. Okay, so this is equals to 9 into 1 into 1 minus 1 into minus 1. Minus of minus 1 plus 1, 6 into 1 minus 1 into 2. Plus 3 into 6 into minus 1 minus 1 into 2. This is equals to 9 into 1 plus 1. Okay, plus 1 into 6 minus 2 plus 3 into minus 6 minus 2. Okay, so this is 9 into 2 plus 1 into 4 plus 3 into minus 8. Okay, so 9 2s are 18 and 1 4s are 4, 3 8s are 3 8 times. How much it is?
Minus 2.
Yes, 18 plus 4 is 22. 22 minus 24 is minus 2. Minus 2. After getting this, find the value of delta 2. Find the value of delta 2 also. Okay, how to find the delta 2, ma? How do we get the delta 2?
We put the value of D in the second
column. Okay, what about the first column? First column is as it is 2 1 1. As it is 2 1 1. So A matrix first column as it is, and third column also as it is 3 1 1.
3 1 1.
Okay, so now find the determinant of this. Find the determinant of this. Now this is equals to 2 into close the row and column, that is 6 1 2 1, and minus 9 into close the row and column. Minus 9 into it is 1 1 1 1, and plus 3 into close the row and column, it is 1 6 1 2. 1 6 1 2. This is equals to 2 into 6 into 1 minus 1 into 2 minus 9 into 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 1 into 2 minus 6 into 1. 2 into 6 minus 2 minus 9 into 1 minus 1 plus 3 into 1 2s are 2 minus 6 1s are 6 it is. Okay, so this is 2 into 6 minus 2 is 4 minus 9 into 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, 3 into 2 minus 6 is minus 4 here. 2 4s are 8, and this is 0 only. Minus 3 4s are 12, and 8 minus 12 is minus 4. Okay, the value of delta 2 is minus 4. After getting this, now we are going to find the delta 3. Okay, how to get the delta 3, ma? So 9 6 2 we write in place of the third column. What about the first column and second column? 2 1 1 is as it is. First column 2 1 1 is as it is, and the second column. What is second column? Minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 as it is. Okay, now we find the determinant of this. Okay, so that is nothing but 2 into close the row and column. Then it is 1 6 minus 1 2. Okay, so minus of minus 1 into 1 6 1 2 plus 9 into 1 1 1 minus 1. Okay, this is equals to 2 into 1 into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 6 into minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 1 into 2 minus 6 into 1 plus 9 into 1 into minus 1 minus 1 into 1. Okay, so 2 into 1 2 is 2 plus 6 plus 1 into 1 2 is 2 minus 6 plus 9 into minus 1 minus 1. 2 into 8 plus 1 into minus 4 plus 9 into minus 2. 2 8 is 16 minus 4 minus 9 2 is 18. Okay, so here it is minus 22 plus 16, right? 16 minus 22. How much it is? Minus 6. Okay. After getting a delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, all the values, what we have to do now? Yes. Okay. Here x is equals to delta 1 by delta. Very good. Okay. So that is nothing but what is delta 1 value? Yes. Okay. Delta 1 is minus 2 and even delta value also minus 2. Both are minus 2. Here this is minus 2 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. Minus minus cancel and 2 to cancel. 2 ones are 2 ones are. Okay. So that gives the delta x value as 1. Y is equal to delta 2 by delta. Delta 2 by delta. Okay. So here we have delta 2 value, that is minus 4. Minus 4. Minus 4 by delta is minus 2. Okay, here we can take the minus minus cancel to 1 time to 2 times. Okay, so finally we are getting the value as 2. And z is equal to delta 3 by delta. Okay, so delta 3 value. What is delta 3 here? Delta 3 is minus 6 divided by delta. Okay, so delta is minus 2. Minus minus gets cancelled to 1 time to 3 times. Okay, so this is equals to 3. So finally, what is the solution here? Solution is x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2 and z is equals to 3. Okay, if you want to verify, you can substitute these x, y, z values in the given equations. Okay, we can verify also whether it is correct answer or not. 1 2 3, just substitute here 1 plus 2 plus 3. How much it is? 6. If this equation satisfied, like that you can check all the equations or any one equation just for cross verification. Okay. For more educational videos on CBSE, ISC, State Board and Intermediate as well as IIT-JEE, BITSAT, EAMCET, please like, share, subscribe our VEDHA online classes. Thank you for watching. Have a great preparation.